So we're going to test our fuel pressure on this Jeep. Been having a little trouble. Got to make sure it's not a fuel pressure issue. If you can go back and see all the videos we've done thus far, it's a lot. It's a lot. But we're going to test the fuel pressure. Also picked up a fuel filter. We're going to change that in the next video, but y'all stay tuned for that. But right now, we're going to show you how we check this. And then you go, on this Jeep, you need about 30 pounds of fuel pressure regulated, 40 pounds unregulated. So we'll show you how to do that and in the video. It's going to be awesome. So y'all stay tuned. She loves the way the fuel smells.
Yummy.
Okay, so to check our fuel pressure line, we're going to use this right here. And then here is our regulator. So during the video, we're going to actually pull this loose, and then we're going to cover it up. This will show us unregulated fuel pressure and then regulated. It should be about 30 pounds regulated and 40 something pounds unregulated. And we may get fuel coming out here. We're going to crank up the Jeep and read pressure on this. Okay, go ahead and start it. Okay, so we have about 30 pounds of fuel pressure. Here's the regulator valve right here. We'll pull this off. And jumps up to about 40 pounds of pressure. So we're getting good fuel pressure. We'll go ahead and put this back on. And now we're back to about 30 pounds of pressure. So now we're going to drain off our fuel pressure. Ooh. Yeah, there. Now we got the gas smell we'll always crave. And we'll take this off right here. Be sure not to have anything running when this is coming off, because it does spew fuel.
It's on the gas. Fire dead.
Fire!
It's smoking.
Okay, so not a fuel pressure issue. We had the 30 pounds. It's regulated, 40 pounds unregulated. And it's pretty easy to test that. So, one more thing. Of course, during this, I did dump all the fuel, the pressure line on the carport, so she got a nice whiff of fuel. And it's not propane, for all y'all guys that say I sound like Hank Hill. Got a comment on that recently.
Propane?
Yeah, propane. No, it's gasoline. I'm not Hank Hill. This doesn't run on propane.
He has no reason like that.
So, stay tuned for our next video as we go into how we're going to replace the fuel filter, because it is rusted and it looks like it is original equipment to this 94 Jeep, which is good to replace.
Yeah.
So, hopefully, I don't think that's going to solve it, but it will help. And like all the other stuff we've already replaced. If you like
every single thing that's on this Jeep. 94. We've replaced pretty much everything except the engine.
Yeah, these engines are supposed to last 300,000 miles. This has only got 100,000, so we're good there. Got 200,000 more. But y'all, if y'all like this video, hit that like button. It's down there. Looks like this. If y'all like our...
It's so hot here in Florida.
It is still hot.
It is like almost Halloween.
It is almost Halloween, and it is hot here.
Oh my goodness.
But you can also subscribe for our channel since it is so hot here. See how we're dealing with this heat. We also are on Instagram, Facebook, and other social media sites, so you can go check us out there. And also, see down below, links back to our blog. You can check out recipes or the things I may try to write. She writes better. And y'all, please, she is a great writer.
I've been writing since I was like 7.
And I was failing writing ever since I was getting out of college. So.
I don't care about that.
No.
Okay. Alright, guys.
Hey.
Let you all go.
And thank you, and y'all please take care.